Hey there, are you stuck with low paying networks? What if I told you there is a platform paying up to 10x higher CPMs weekly? Meet Monetag, the secret weapon for monetizing websites, social media, and any traffic. I've earned $3,000 plus last month alone. Let's unlock your earnings. Hey, I'm Elisha Perry, a crypto and traffic monetization expert. Today, I will show you exactly how Monetag works, from registration to cashing out. Whether you run a blog, TikTok, or paid ads, this platform converts your audience into real income. No fluff, just proven strategies. You might have a question. How is Monetag different from all these other monetizing platforms like AdSense? Well, this might interest you. Monetag stands out in that it has the highest CPMs globally. It partners with 5,000 plus advertisers. It also has strict moderation. What that implies is that there is zero scam on the platform, and there is no adult content which is actually displayed. When it comes to payouts, Monetag stands out in that the minimum payout is $5. Talk of AdSense, the minimum payout is 70 euros. What are the formats of ads which are available on Monetag? We have smart links, we have Pop Panda, and then there is push notifications. So now push notifications have the highest CTR for loyal audiences. The Pop Panda have the highest revenue. They open in the background. Then the smart links, you can just generate one which is suitable for social media, and it caters to all traffic. Let me show you now how to create an account on Monetag. So for you to access the platform, all that you have to do is you click the link in the description section. Once you click it, you're gonna land on the platform, and this is what you're gonna see. So after you click the link, which I'll leave in the description section, here is where you're gonna land. This is the interface for Monetag. So where do you have to click? It being your first time visiting the site, you will need to click sign up so as to create an account. Okay, that's what I'm doing right now. Alright, so when signing up, you will be asked to punch in a few details. That is your name, your first name, your surname, and then maybe the country where you sojourn. You don't need to worry about where you're based or the country where you're from, because Monetag is global. It monetizes traffic from all corners of the globe. So just indicate the country where you're from, and after you do that, you will find yourself on this interface. So now, I want to introduce you to some of the features which are here so that you get acquainted with them, and you get to know how really this platform works. So let me start with the withdrawal methods. Where can you locate them? Okay, so for you to locate the withdrawal methods, you need to click in the top right corner here on this icon. When you tap there, scroll down to payment methods. You tap that, and this is what you're gonna see. So these are the payment methods which are available. So there is PayPal, Skrill, Payoneer, there is web money, cryptocurrencies. And one thing that I've loved about Monetag is that it's got a manifold methods of withdrawal, and it has also included cryptocurrencies, which is universal. You understand? Almost in all countries, people use crypto. So if you click here, we go by the last option, which is cryptocurrency. You see the networks which are available. So you simply click USDT BEP20, and then you click here where it reads wallet. Then you paste in the wallet address, and then you swipe down so as to save whatever details you have actually punched in, and you are set just like that. If you go by Payoneer, it's almost one and the same thing. You simply follow the same protocol and you be set. Okay, so now what other features do you need to be acquainted with? Okay, what you need to be acquainted with is how to add your site to this platform. So all you need to do is you click here. That is the second option from statistics. When you click there, this will pop up. So all you have to do is you click where it reads add site, and then you head over to your site, copy the address, you punch it here or you paste it here, and then hit add site. There will be other settings that you need to do. Of course, you won't even have a brain egg, because you simply follow the prompts and you be set. And once you're done and you verify your website, you can add as many as you can, and you can move on to something else. If you want to add a Telegram mini app, if you own one, you simply click the third option, Telegram mini app. When you click there, you simply follow the prompts and you'll be good to go. Okay, and then if you want to check your earnings, maybe the second day, the third day, or after a week, you simply click here where it reads earnings. Okay, boom, and it will show how much you've earned so far. And the beauty of Monetag is that you can withdraw $5. Okay, you can withdraw $5. Yeah, on AdSense you find that the minimum is 70 euros, because I use AdSense on YouTube. Okay, so if you want to learn something, you simply click here where it reads insights. That is if you want to have a detailed understanding of the platform and how it works. You can click here where it reads, so what is Starlink, okay, what is page push, onboarding. All these resources are there for you. You simply click them and you'll be taken to where they are sitting, and you will actually have an insight about this. Okay, then if you want to check out where the traffic is coming from, you want to check out other details, you simply click statistics, and all these will actually pop up. So you'll be able to see the date, be able to see the ad formats from which you are earning, the country where from your traffic is, and then you check out all these other details that are enshrined here. Now, on top of all these, there is what they call the referral program. That is, you can actually refer people. So you simply click here, and then you get the link from here. Once you get the link, you can actually post this on Facebook, on your page. You can post this, or you can share this on Telegram, so that your followers are able to click it and create accounts. So if they create accounts and they connect their websites and they are earning from Monetag, you'll be earning 5% of whatever they will be earning for a lifetime. So that's how this one works. How about priority program? When you click priority program here, you see these packages. So what is there is this: if you can pay this here, that's $280. That is from $0 to $280. You see the privileges that you're going to enjoy. So if you compare this green level to the platinum level, instead of waiting for 14 days for you to withdraw your earnings from this platform, if you are at platinum level, you'll be withdrawing your earnings every after 2 days. You see the difference? So you can as well activate these. And if you want to reach out to Monetag agents so that they happen to help you with 1 or 2 things, all you have to do is you click here where it reads Help Center. You can as well reach out to them via their email address. I have one which I'll leave in the description section so that you chit chat with them and they are readily available. Whenever you drop an email, they'll be there to help you. So that's how Monetag works. If you'd love to support us, don't forget to hit the like button, the subscribe button, and don't forget to turn on the